Yo, what's poppin', guys? So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing related to a keyboard. So my wife's birthday is actually going to be in next week actually, and she has been doing her own setup and she has a little theme that she wants to do. Everything's purple basically. And she's been getting into looking at setups on Instagram. And she's been finding that there's a specific brand that she likes, which is the Akko brand, the Akko brand, and she really wanted one. So we went online, looked around to see it, and she wanted to change the keycaps of everything so it fits her aesthetic, which is understandable. I would do the exact same thing. And we got her a bunch of stuff. So we got her coiled cable, we got her the Akko 3068. So this is it right here. I will obviously unbox it for you so you get to see what it's like inside. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know anything about this except from that it is pink key like switches and it's a jelly switches. So it seems that Akko have their own type of switches and they're called jelly. They're basically like the cherry reds essentially, but I think these are more of a tactile kind of sound, so it's not as clicky. I will in this video do the click sound for you so you can see what it's like, but it does have a little thing here if it focuses. So it does have that there for you so you can see what it's like. It's saying here, what does it say? I can't read a word of it because it's in a different language. But yeah, it's a 65% of a keyboard, 65% keyboard. It is got RGB, so you can have a little bit more of a different look of it. Focus, there we go. If that means anything to anyone, there we go. But it is a hot swap, so you can. The one thing, I've been looking into keyboards, you can change the switches, so if you do want to change it from the jelly pink to the jelly purple or the jelly blue, because Akko do seem to have a lot of different ones. That's obviously if you want to use the Akko ones. I know you can obviously change it to anything if you want to have your different switches, but they definitely have other things. It does have a multi-modes, as I'm seeing from this picture. It does have the capability of doing the sound and everything from using the buttons. But instead of just sitting me talking here acting like I know what I'm talking about, I think we should just unbox it, shall we? Alright guys, so this is the Akko 3068 multimedia keyboard. It is a 65% keyboard. Now, I know the focus isn't that great, so you can't particularly see what the details are on that box. I am also trying to be very careful, as this is my wife's present as I stated, so I just want to make sure that it doesn't look all messed up when I open it. Now, at this point, I just realized that I have opened it upside down. When I start opening the flap, I literally just turn it over and you're instantly met with the logo. It is nice and shiny, which is a nice little touch. The packaging is basic, nothing really special about it. Just straight away, once you lift that up, you get to see the keyboard. And it's a nice keyboard. I was very shocked how heavy it was. When I picked it up, I was like, oh wow, okay, that's not to be expected. That wasn't expected. There's some information there, but I just leave that for my wife, don't touch it. Inside this box, however, there is a USB-C cable, which is good, you know, means that the data and everything will go a lot faster. There's additional keys, or the keycaps. It's just the F keys, as well as like the enter, the shift, the tab, all that stuff. Now there is some additional keys that have the logos. Now in this, I do actually use them for the WASD for the keyboard, just to make it a little bit different. Inside the box as well, you do get that cap remover. There is also, before there was a USB I picked up, I realized that that was the Wi-Fi connector, so this is actually able to do Wi-Fi and cable, which is perfect for my wife because she was in the midst of like thinking, oh, should I do cable or should I do Wi-Fi? Now she just gets to get both. I do actually later on show those caps, the ones that are the WASD a little bit more closer up, so we'll get to that in just a second. Alright guys, so this is the Akko keycap set. It is the PBT double shot. Now, there is literally no difference in the style of these compared to the actual original keys that come with the keyboard itself. The only difference is the color. The good thing about this set I found is they do have a wide range of different sizes and different types of keycaps. So if you do have a certain style related to the keyboard that you want, related to the buttons for your enter button and everything, it does have it. It's vast, it's got different sizes in the sense of the space bar, and there is multiple colors. There's the white, there's the clear blue or purple color, and there is also a green. Now my wife didn't want the green, as I've said multiple times, she only wants the purple, so we didn't use any of that, as you'll see when I'm doing the speed up. But as you can see here as well, I'm about to show you the actual logos on the hot pink ones. I'll try and get into focus. It's a little bit hard to see, but you do get the gist of it. But other than that, what I'll do for you guys now is I'll just do a quick run through of me doing it. I'll speed it up and then I'll do the sound check over B-roll. I hope you enjoy. this is the final product. If it loads, there you go. Now, the good thing I like about this is that since I've done these for the WSD, they are a little bit more raised compared to them. Now, my wife is normally used to playing things like the Switch, so Animal Crossing and things like that. She does want to get properly into gaming on her laptop. So I feel like, as much as she's already probably would be used to it and she is good with the keyboard, she's better than me when it comes to it. She knows how to type, touch type, so she basically would know where everything is on the keyboard automatically. But I think it would just be better for her, because whenever I'm playing games, for example, and I play games on the computer way more than she does, I am always pressing the wrong button sometimes. So it'd be good to have that one, like the one button a little bit bigger. Sometimes I feel like that would be a little bit justified, because at least you know you're pressing the right button. And yeah, I think she's gonna really enjoy it, especially with the purple. I do want to get her one of those buttons that's customized, so like for the escape button, I think she would love it, just to get it a little bit more customizable. I did leave some things pink, as you can see, so these ones are pink, these ones are blue, these ones are pink, the rest are generally, let's say blue but purple, and the rest are all purple. I honestly think she's gonna love it. I really do. I mean, I'm really jealous. Really jealous, to be honest. I do like how even with this keyboard, how it's so flat, it's already like a raised a bit, so you don't have to worry about raising the keyboard up or automatically with the stands. It's already there. And that just sounds so good. But yeah, so what I'll do now for you guys, so you can actually have a look, is I'll do some B-roll so you actually get to see what it looks like for you. But I just want to say thank you for coming along. I hope you have enjoyed this. I have enjoyed it myself. So we'll see you all on the next one. Cheerio!